The stage is set, or should I say, the sails are set for the Lakme Fashion Week. But with the impact of demonetization, has that hit the booming fashion industry? We find out in just a bit. Let's talk a little bit about the business behind fashion, and I have none other than veteran fashion designer Manish Malhotra with me. Manish, you know, demonetization has hit everyone, but let's talk about whether or not there's been an impact on the fashion space.
Well, it has affected everyone, and there has been, an effect on fashion space as well. However, I think it's a step for the better, and I think it helps us all to get more streamlined in everything that we do. And for us, for my business, my label's just 10 years old. It's the 11th year now, and we've been always by the book in terms of, so I think that this kind of helps us do that.
You know, it's a big industry. The fashion industry is $100 billion. Tell us about how Indian fashion has grown and how are we compared to the global peers?
I feel in India itself, the business has got better in the last 5 years, especially in the wedding genre, because we are emotional about our weddings. It's a time that we go out and spend so much, and I think there's a whole new, kind of whole new world that's come up with young designers, bespoke designers, stylists, and designers in different kind of categories of fashion.
And do you think that online and social media for the fashion industry is the way to go?
Definitely. Definitely, because e-commerce is definitely an extremely, I feel e-commerce is somewhere where you don't have to really spend on the infrastructure or on a store, and yet you're connecting to the entire world.
Where do you see fashion headed, say, over the next 10 years? We've grown so phenomenally in the last 10. Where, according to you, are we headed?
I think India has so much talent. It has so much of culture, heritage. We have fabrics, we have textile. Luxury has been a part of Indian culture since, years and years, thousands of years. And opulence and pure, the entire luxurious living. Everything has been there.
So there you have it, summing it up. There is going to be an impact when it comes to demonetization, but for the fashion industry, online is the way to go. Transparency will help, and all I can say is enjoy the show.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.